Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's tutorial is all about how to blur the video background in CapCut using your desktop. So let's dive right in. First, open CapCut, then add the video clip you want to use. Here, I have already imported and added the video clip that we are going to use as an example for today's tutorial. Now all you have to do is duplicate the video clip and place it above the original. Afterwards, you will need to remove the background of the duplicated video clip. To do that, click the video you duplicate, then go to the video section at the screen's upper right side, then click Cutout, and then select Auto Cutout. Upon activation of the Auto Cutout, it will automatically process the removal of the selected video clip. Once the Auto Cutout process is completely done, the next step is to add the blur effect between the two video clips. To do that, go to the Effect section located at the upper left side of the screen. Then click Video Effects to expand it, and click Lens. Locate the blur effect and add it. Next, increase the duration of the blur effect to match that of the video clip. And lastly, decrease the blur based on your own preference. And here's the final result. And there you have it. We hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.